Yeah. I'm there.
What is it now?
Come on, stop. Look at you. Jesus.
Why did you slap me now?
Oyiko, stop this nonsense. When this thing will fall on you, I will not be there to help you.
See, forget. Nothing can happen, my brother. Before anything, we're almost done now.
You're almost done.
We will leave this place.
Oyiko,
you don't get respect.
I'm not here for you, please. I want to talk to you.
You want to talk?
I want to talk to you now. Should I say it here?
My friend, we came to this state together and say what you want
I'm
to say.
pregnant. I said I'm pregnant.
Problem, you know the finish.
For who?
For you now.
This thing is protection.
Are you asking me? Was I the one that used it? You are the one that used it now.
It's just one, so this one is not me and you.
Okay, it's just one. So how many times were you supposed to do it?
God have mercy.
I don't think this one you are saying is not even for me, right? I'm not even ready for you.
Hey, follow me. Yeah. I'm there.
What is it now?
Come on. Stop. Look at you. Jesus.
Why did you slap me now?
Madam, why you slap her now?
Oh, yeah, open your mouth now. I'm pregnant. You see?
So, am I a doctor? You're coming to tell me that I'm pregnant. What's my business now?
I'm pregnant for you.
Hey!
Don't cast.
For me, Hannah, did you do anything?
Yes, I did.
Oyiko, this is what I've been telling you. They posted us to this school to impart knowledge on them. And you are here imparting babies. Now you be a father. Can you imagine?
See, like this now. Hey, look at you. Like this now. Just follow him. Follow him up. I want to see you in my house again.
Follow who? You should just let me down.
Pants now. What are you saying?
What's my business now?
We're going together.
See, come and help me now.
You don't have business. Help me.
God have mercy upon us.
Well, I know you all see me as a wicked friend. Okay, let me be wicked because I told him, I advised him for a simple mistake. Others that are still doing this, continue. What is this, my guy? He came here to collect one certificate, and I don't collect it. This is the beginning of the suffer. You know what they call suffer? My mind starts. So look when I continue. You only if you collect 3 when you book you. I think I will laugh.
People should leave me now.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.